How to see your subscribers on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let me guide you to see subscribers on your YouTube. Without further ado, let's get started. For that, you have to launch any web browser, tap search bar and type in youtube.com and search for this website and log into your account. For now, you simply need to open desktop version. To do that, tap three dots at top right. From this menu, check mark desktop site and desktop version of YouTube will open on your mobile device. Now you'll have to zoom in and tap the top right corner of your screen and tap on your profile. From this menu, you simply need to select YouTube Studio. Here you can easily find out the channel analytics. You simply need to scroll down and here are the recent subscribers. You can easily tap on see all and see all of your subscribers. You can easily tap on the date trends as well and then choose the date trends. Suppose if we choose last 90 days and this will show all the subscribers from last 90 days. With there is none, so you can tap lifetime and these are all your subscribers. So that is how you can easily see subscribers on YouTube on mobile device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.